skims over your sleeve. Petals hitch a ride, then let go. You shake them off with an easy grin. I pocket that second for later. Park past thin blankets fold to squares. Paper cups stack, laughter fades warm. Breeze gathers soft pink snow, sending it after our shadows. Goodbyes fall lightly, yet something stays bright. Endings land like gentle rain, quiet hands on crowded days. Colors drift to final bows till they bloom inside our steps. Songs pack up but keep a note, ringing fades along the street. We walk slow, not to hold on, just to feel it turning sweet. And memory learns our pace and writes it into dusk. Evening sifts the sky to rose, hints of green wait on the branch. Good things close with open doors, pointing where the morning starts. Carry this soft afterglow, fold it gently in your coat. When tomorrow opens wide, let it live the day we make.
When I close my eyes, you're near. The sound of you is all I hear. Your voice a shadow, soft and low. The only truth I've come to know. The night returns, the silence deep. I see your face before I sleep. Every breath a gentle sigh that leads me where the dreams lie. When I close my eyes, you stay. The morning takes the night away. The world can fade, the stars can die, but you remain behind my sky. When I close my eyes, I see the part of you that stays with me. The room is still, the air is thin, a trace of warmth where you have been. I reach for light, but shadows fall, your name still written on the wall. Dreams may end, but love remains, flowing softly through my veins. Even when the dawn appears, though time may steal what I recall, your dream still holds it all.
Golden leaves beneath our feet, whispers drift across the road. Air is steady, cool and mild. Time slows down in autumn light. Shadows bend against the wall. Colors fade, but kindly so. Every turn recalls a past woven gently through the breeze. Autumn holds the moment with hands of tender grace. Autumn love remains with me in the rustle of the leaves. Every silence feels complete when the season takes its place. Autumn love can still endure through the changes time will bring. Every color turns to gold as the memory stays alive. Even as it darkens, the glow will not be lost. Autumn love will lead me home through the streets that fade to dusk. Every tree will tell the tale of the days that came before. Autumn love will still remain in the corners of the heart. Seasons turn and drift apart, yet its warmth will not depart.
The night unfolds, the stars begin to hum the place where dreams begin. You said our hearts were made to roam, but every dream still calls me home. I hear your voice in quiet rain, soft soft and clear it speaks again. Every whisper seems to say love will never drift away. There's a promise inside a dream, a light beneath the silver stream. Even if we fade in time, your heart will still be mine. Promise inside a dream, don't break. I'll keep it for the morning's sake.